Max's Journey Tribe, Max's Journey community, welcome back. Today I got an incredible tiny home, a beautiful tiny home under the 100K, beautiful layout. I'm gonna show you the price, where to find it, and the layout. It's absolutely amazing. This one has a couple awesome features that you might enjoy. It's actually a 2-bedroom, so let's go. As you step into the living room, first my eye gets drawn to this big wall, fireplace, huge open space. Let's focus right here because it has enough room for a couch, pull-out bed if you want, a little eating area right here, high ceilings with the recessed lights. Absolutely beautiful. It feels so spacious in here, and I don't want to miss the details on the floor. Good size fridge. Let's check it out. Huge fridge, actually. For a tiny home, huge fridge. Beautiful countertops. And a deep sink, guys. This is great. And as you see, you got you a gas fire range, huge microwave, and beautiful cabinets. Let's see if they're soft close. Oh, not bad at all. Let's check it out. There you go. We got the soft close cabinets. This is absolutely beautiful. Natural light beaming through these top lights around here. So there's a ton of light, making it feel like a great space. And we can go right back here to the main bedroom. But you got a little storage under here. You can set this up, anything, shoe rack. This is your master bedroom, and pocket doors are what this design is going to come with because they save a lot of space. So you come inside your master bedroom. Good sized bed, queen. It looks like you probably could fit a king without the side beds, but you have storage above. AC unit to keep you cool or hot, or your central air there. You have your mini closet, and below the bed is where a lot of storage comes from. There, you have a lot of options to have the lift up beds with storage, but you also have a little dresser here, and your TV bracket is going to be here. So let's check out the closet. Nothing huge, but enough little space right here to set up some type of design for you guys. But let me know what you think about the master bedroom. Again, those floors are going throughout this whole area, and this is beautiful. We also have a full either pantry or wardrobe, however you want to set this up, right here. And again, let's see if they have the soft closed doors. They absolutely do. Beautiful. Coming into the master bathroom, or the only bathroom you have, but it feels huge. Natural light is what I noticed first. Beautiful big shower. Tons of great light coming in, and that tile work is absolutely beautiful. Little storage above the toilet right here. As we make our way over here, you have your cabinets with more storage underneath. Beautiful, well done. Very sturdy. You have a little medicine cabinet here on your left. What up? Hit the subscribe button while you got time. It's right at the bottom. And then you have this right here. Upstairs office, loft area, second bedroom if you need it. Beautiful light all the way around. And another heating and cooling unit up here to keep you well, in the right temperature and the right mood. This is beautiful kid space, storage space, little office space. If you're solo, you can use that for storage and it will be great. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. But here's the price. Let's check it out. This is $99,995. This is the Belmont model by Pine Haven Cottages. And you see it right there, guys. If you want them, contact them right there. Tell them Max's Journey sent you. This is a great looking house. And I have tons more where this come from. And as you see, I went straight through with this video. You also have another heating and cooling unit. Beautiful ceiling fan. Let me know, do you love it? Do you hate it? I know the price is not what everybody wants it to be, but these are well built. And we're in the 2026s now, going almost into 2030. So this is the price for a lot of these homes. Let's check out another model in the next video.